Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make stew for rice, only way. Start by browning your protein and deglazing the pan with a splash of stock to capture fond. Sauté aromatics until fragrant, then add tomatoes, spices, and stock. Simmer low and slow until the sauce reduces and flavors concentrate. Adjust seasoning, finish with a pat of butter for gloss, and serve spooned over steaming rice for a comforting meal. Use bold but balanced seasoning to make stew that complements rice rather than overwhelms it. Toast whole spices briefly to unlock oils, then grind or add to the pot. Powdered spices can be added earlier. Taste periodically and add salt in small increments as the stew concentrates. If the stew tastes flat, a touch of acid or a little sugar can round flavors. Fresh herbs at the end lift the whole dish. Aim for a saucy stew that clings to rice rather than running off the plate. Control thickness by simmering uncovered to evaporate excess liquid, or stir in a small slurry of cornstarch or mashed vegetables for body. Keep enough sauce so each spoonful of rice gets coated and flavorful. Reheat gently to preserve texture, and consider plating with rice shaped in a mound to catch every bit of the stew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.